it's all alright, even if we yell.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be all about this beautiful faux locks that you guys can see, and thank you to SUNBER hair for actually sending me this hair. But if you guys want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, then make sure you keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already.
So many times I've heard promises of romance, but there's something about you that makes me believe in another chance. Can't explain what I'm sensing. Every part of me drowned in it. I feel that you got.
So this is how the hair came. The packaging is so cute, you guys. As you guys can see, it just looks really cute and well secured. And SUNBER Hair is a store on Amazon. They do all sorts of hair, but this is the hair that they sent me. And in the pack they had the crochet hook, a wig cap that I'm definitely not going to use, and they also had some hair accessories. There are 6 packets of hair and each hair has 24 pieces, so that's quite a lot of hair, you guys.
So don't wake me up. Don't wake me up.
So right now I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like, and as you guys can see, the dress aren't too big, so if you're looking for something big, then this is not for you. But I like that they're not too big, and it feels really soft and lightweight, which is so good.
Even if we yell, we'll be fine by tonight. 'Cause we can break up, but we will make up like we always do. Even if I say I don't love you, you know it's not true. 'Cause love is what we do, and I love you.
So now I'm just braiding my natural hair on its own, and this part is really important because you don't want to do your braids too big or too small. If you do them too big, you may not have enough dress in your hair, especially if you like your hair full. And if you do it too small, you may run out of hair to actually add, so you just want to make sure that you do it evenly.
No flex on my tongue. Take your hand in mine, and I feel the heat like a rising sun. As I swim in your ocean, I don't even look back to the shore. We embrace underwater, and now I'm not drowning anymore.
Doing this can actually take a really long time, so if you can get help, that would be great. If not, then you're gonna have to be really patient, and you want to make sure that you take your time and do this, because this is like the foundation of your hair. If it looks bad, then your crochet is gonna look really bad.
Is this a mirror image? I don't care, in your arms I could stay here forever. And I should know by now to always touch the ground, but how I forget. It's time to
After braiding your natural hair, you should have something like this or very similar, and make sure that you do moisturize your scalp when you do this so that it doesn't dry underneath the crochet hair. Now you want to grab your hair and your crochet hook and then start installing the crochet hair. So all you have to do is put the crochet through your hair, attach the thread to the hook of the crochet using the loop, and then pull the crochet back out with the thread attached to it. And then you just want to put your natural hair through the loop of the thread. After that, just unravel a bit of the thread and then wrap it around your hair. I do hope that makes sense. It's really hard to explain, but all you guys have to do is watch and then you'll get it. So same thing here, put the crochet through your hair, attach the thread to the crochet and then pull the crochet through, then put your natural hair through the hook of the thread and then just wrap the thread around it. So it's very repetitive, and after 2 or 3 then you'll get the hang of it. That's how simple it is. Remember not to unravel too much of the hair while you're wrapping it, otherwise you'll ruin the whole thread. You only want to unravel so much that it'll cover your own natural hair. With any hairstyle you do, you always want to make sure that your edges are always laid so the hairstyle can look even better. And after doing all of that, I decided to add some accessories to my hairstyle just to make it look nicer and make it stand out more. These are my own accessories. They didn't come with the pack. I didn't use the one that came in the pack because of the colors. They were blue, red, yellow, you know, those kind of colors. I didn't want to use those. I just wanted to go for the gold just to keep it more neutral. And this is how the hair turned out. I really like it, especially the color. It really complements my skin tone and I just really love it. If you haven't liked this video yet, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think. Guys, so as you guys saw, I just finished doing the hair. I just wanted to come here quickly and just give you guys my thoughts on the hair. So first of all, the hair is really soft, which is the first thing I noticed. It's so soft. I know it's synthetic, but it doesn't feel hard on your skin or anything like that. So I used about 4.5 packs of the hair because I wanted to make it really full, and as you guys can see, it is really full, which I really do like. It really doesn't take long to do this hair. The only thing that took me long was the braiding part, braiding my natural hair. Apart from that, actually doing the crochet part was the easiest and the fastest. It's very lightweight, by the way. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy, even though I used about 4.5 packs. It's very good. Yeah, so I can really just use this to go for a run or exercise, and do other things, and I won't feel the weight of it, which I'm really happy about. If you do like it, leave a comment down below telling me what you think and what you like about it. If you're interested in getting the hair, all the details will be left in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.